This is the 300-piece tool set from Channellock. This is the set of sets for mechanics. Your tools are stored in 3 compartments for optimum organization. In the top compartment, there is a 1/2-inch ratchet drive, a 3/8-inch ratchet drive, and a 1/4-inch ratchet drive. Also included is a magnetic bit driver with 60 screwdriver bits with a bit extension. You also get 2 spark plug sockets, 5 8-inch and 13/16 of an inch, 9 nut driver bit sockets ranging from 4 mm to 12 mm, and 10 nut driver bit sockets ranging from 5/32 to 1/2 inch. 6 Torx drives ranging from T20 to T55, 3 3/8-inch Phillip head sockets, 3 3/8-inch flat head sockets, 6 hex head sockets, and a square Robertson head socket, 7 standard 12-point sockets ranging from 13 mm to 19 mm, and 7 from 1/2 inch to 7/8 of an inch, 1 1/4-inch ratchet extension, 2 3/8-inch ratchet extensions, 1 1/2-inch ratchet extension, 1/4-inch universal socket, 3/8-inch universal socket, 3/8 to 1/4-inch adapter. Also in this top panel, 7 wrenches ranging from 1/4 inch to 5/8 of an inch, and 8 wrenches ranging from 7 to 15 mm. In the middle compartment, we have shallow 12-point sockets ranging from 6 to 18 mm and 3/16 to 7/8 of an inch. There are also 6-point sockets ranging from 4 mm to 22 mm and 5/32 to 7/8 inches. Lastly, in the third compartment, we have 6-point deep sockets ranging from 1/16 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch and 4 mm to 18 mm. There are also 36 Allen keys, 18 in SAE, ranging from 1/16 inch to 3/8 inch, and hex from 1.5 to 10 mm. You can get this one in Trinidad for $11.99 Trinidad dollars on our website, www.dealdog.net. You don't need a credit card. You can pay when the item is delivered or when you pick up the item if you choose curbside pickup. Check our website for detailed info, www.dealdog.net, or WhatsApp 687-3619.